Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. The start of the week brought some sharp movement. In my last update, I covered the late-day advance toward 122,000 and the possibility of a cool-off toward the 120,000 level. Instead, the market pulled back about 3.5% to exactly 118,000 before stabilizing. In the past 24 hours, market data shows over 442 million in leverage volume cleared, with the majority coming from long positions. This is a reminder of how quickly sentiment can shift when pressure builds. On the 3-day heat map, the most active level is at 122.5 thousand, extending into a zone near 124,000. The next area of interest is around 116.2 thousand, just below the current price near 119,000. ETF inflow data also reflected a strong session, with net additions totaling 178 million and the largest share from a single provider contributing 138 million. No withdrawals were reported for the 11th, adding to a constructive backdrop in broader participation. In other market news, Michael Saylor posted that, after Sunday's teaser, Strategy has acquired another 155 Bitcoin for approximately $18 million at about $116,401 per Bitcoin. As of August 10th, 2025, they hold 628,946 Bitcoin, acquired for about $46.09 billion at an average of roughly 73,288 per Bitcoin. While a prominent aerospace firm announced it will now accept select digital payment options for its services, including certain blockchain-based assets. I'll be back with tomorrow's market update. For more real-time chart chatter, join the free Discord. If this overview was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated. And see you in the next one.